Good morning, everyone. I am Anugula Raj from Become Professional, Become Professional AQ second sem. I would like to special thanks Raju Padhyay sir for giving me this golden opportunity. Today I will talk about standard deviation in MS Excel. So my first slide is what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is a statically measure that calculate the amount of dispersion in a set of data value from their mean average. A lower standard deviation means points are grouped closely around the mean, while a higher standard deviation indicates the data spread out over wider range. So my next slide is there are two types of data, sample standard deviation and second is population standard deviation. First is what is standard sample standard deviation. Sample standard deviation is a measure the spread or variability of data value in a sample around their sample mean. Formula STDV dot as. So my next slide is what is this population standard deviation. Population standard deviation measure the amount of variation or dispersion of all value in entire population from their mean average. So go to the practical work. So this is data. Alt. So go to the practical work. So this is my data. First of all, calculate score is equal to sum bracket open select C4 to C13 close bracket close. Answer is 1385 average. So average formula is equal to average select C4 to C30 close bracket close. uh, Answer 138.5. Same formula is apply here. Bracket open select all select this data C4 to C30. Sorry. Enter. Drag uh, this data difference is equal to select this data and minus C4 minus D4. So value is 61.5. So sorry. And next is equal to select this data and shift and 2. This is answer, and is equal to st stdev dot s as for sample. Select this data and bracket close, and next is again is equal to stdev dot p. P stand for population. Select this data or bracket close. So, and next is equal to s q q sqrt sum. Select this data. Sorry for one mistake. यहाँ पर एक चीज हमारा छूट गया था, वो था एवरेज निकालने के लिए। इक्वल टू एवरेज सेलेक्ट करेंगे ये इस डेटा को। अच्छा सॉरी, ओके ओके। इक्वल टू एस select this data f15 bracket close, and again put the formula sum bracket open. Select this data, bracket close, slash count, bracket open. Select data, bracket close, -1 bracket close. Answer is 51.762814 equal to sqrt sum bracket open, bracket close, slash count, select this data. Okay. So answer is 49.1 10 something. So that this is my standard deviation use in MS Excel. So that's all from my side. Thank you. If anyone question, ask.
What are the uses of standard deviation?
Standard deviation is measured statically, and if the standard deviation higher, if the standard deviation is lower, the value closer to the differ from the average, and if the standard deviation is higher, the value is far differ from the average. Thank you.